In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your Motorola. It should be in Google folder. This one. When you find it, tap on it. And then click on those three lines at the top left corner to continue. Finally, select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!